Ever wondered how to select stocks for long-term investment? Like a master chef, choosing the finest ingredients for a gourmet meal. Picking the right stocks for your investment portfolio requires a discerning eye and a deep understanding of the market. Today, we are going to delve into an essential method for stock selection known as fundamental analysis. This is not just about looking at a company's current price. Oh no, it's much more than that. It's about scrutinizing every aspect of a company, from its financial health to its competitive position in the market, and even the state of the economy. Making informed decisions is critical in the world of stock investing, and fundamental analysis is a powerful tool that can help you do just that. It's like having a magnifying glass to examine the intricate details of a company's performance and potential. Understanding fundamental analysis can be your secret weapon in the stock market. So, what is it exactly? Fundamental analysis is a method used by investors around the world. It's like doing detective work on a company's financial health. This involves diving deep into financial statements, understanding the company's position within its industry, and considering the overall health of the market and economy. The goal of this sleuthing? To calculate the intrinsic value of a company's stock. This intrinsic value can then be compared to the current market price of the stock. Fundamental analysis isn't just about numbers, though. It's also about understanding a company's competitive edge, its management quality, and the potential for its products or services. All of this information can help investors identify those hidden gems, stocks that are undervalued but have the potential for long-term growth. Now that you know what fundamental analysis is, you must be wondering how to do it, right? Let's find out. Conducting fundamental analysis involves a few key steps. Let's begin with the first step, analyzing a company's past performance. This is akin to peeking into the rearview mirror. We examine the company's financial statements, taking a close look at the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. These documents offer a wealth of information about the company's financial health and operational efficiency. Next, we delve into the company's revenue, profit margins, debt, and cash flow. Revenue reveals the company's top-line growth, while profit margins tell us how effectively the company is converting revenue into profit. Debt levels indicate the company's financial leverage, and cash flow provides insights into its liquidity. Remember, a company with strong revenue growth, high profit margins, manageable debt, and positive cash flow is often a good bet. Thirdly, we evaluate the company's industry position and competitiveness. Is the company a leader in its field? Does it have a unique selling proposition or a competitive edge? The answers to these questions can help us gauge the company's potential for future growth. Lastly, we don't operate in a vacuum. We must also consider wider economic factors. Market conditions and interest rates can significantly impact a company's performance. A thriving market often bodes well for most businesses, while low interest rates can make it cheaper for companies to borrow and invest, potentially boosting their growth. But remember, fundamental analysis isn't about seeking absolute truths. It's about making educated guesses about a company's future performance based on its past and present. It's about understanding the nuances of a company's operations and the market it operates in. It's about making sound investment decisions based on a thorough understanding of a company's fundamentals. These steps might seem complex, but with practice, they become an integral part of your investment decision-making process. To summarize, fundamental analysis is an essential tool for long-term stock selection. It's a method that digs deep, scrutinizing a company's financial health, industry standing, and the prevailing economic conditions. By examining balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow reports, it offers an in-depth view of a company's performance. The beauty of fundamental analysis lies in its ability to uncover a firm's intrinsic value. That is, the true worth of a company beyond its market price. This is a powerful tool when it comes to spotting undervalued stocks, those hidden gems that the market has overlooked. Remember, this isn't a quick fix. It's a meticulous process that demands time, patience, and a keen eye for detail. But the potential rewards make it worthwhile. With fundamental analysis, you can make more informed investment decisions and potentially enjoy greater returns in the long run. Happy investing. Before we wrap things up, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It's a small action from you, but it encourages us to keep bringing you more videos like this. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We consistently release insightful content on stock selection, investment strategies, and financial education that can help you make more informed decisions on your financial journey. You don't want to miss out on these, so hit that subscribe button and join our community of smart investors. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the world of investing. Stay tuned, stay informed, and let's grow our wealth together. Happy investing!